What was your favourite away win as Bolton manager?
Manchester United.
Oh, yes. What was the score?
2-1. Kevin Nolan, Michael Ricketts. Yeah. Wes made a mistake. If you're listening, Wes, sorry. Yeah. You see, going into the last few minutes, you see kicked the ball down the pitch. Wes tried to chest it, and it bobbled off Michael Ricketts. It shows. I thought my memory was getting bad, but it doesn't when it comes to that. Michael Ricketts tucked it away.
You remember that like it was yesterday.
By the way, he was a really great goal scorer, yeah. Michael Ricketts. He rarely missed a chance. He just ruined his career by putting too much body fat on, not dedicating himself to the job, and just really sad. Got an England call-up. He was the leading British striker in the country, and really spoilt his career. What a goal scorer.